you're lost. You're lost when emotions come up and you don't know what you've done. You have a reaction. And I've noticed that a lot of teachers, yogis, or anyone that's doing body work or healing work will have emotions that come up. That is their intention, right? That's your intention as a healer, to bring those emotions up. But then when they are up, what do you do with that? Because if they're not positive and they're being very emotional, and you say, well, that's great. We've led you to this place where your emotions have come up and you're not holding it in anymore. That's great. But they walk out and they don't know what to do with it. So you've left them in a place of limbo where your intention certainly got them to the point of being emotional, but you can't leave them stranded. You can't leave them in a forest lost and they don't know what direction to do or what to do with these emotions. You want to know what has benefited from that. Ask them the questions. And this is where advanced conversation will help you actually get to understand what to do with those emotions, where you can lead your client to having that understanding, that self-awareness. And then once you do that, you can test them. You can make sure it's not going to come back. And if it does, they've got you again to come back to. Normally, typically, they have dealt with it then and there. And you want to deal with that before they leave your clinic or your room, because they're going to process that, and that process might not be a positive outcome.